What's up, lovely VR devs? I have some exciting news about the VR Game Jam coming up very, very soon. And no, I'm not going to reveal the theme early. But I know we said we weren't going to have any prizes. And technically that's still true, but we have a sponsor now. We have XR Game Labs, who is a VR influencer marketing and playtesting company, and they are partnering with Mike from VR Oasis and GT from Gamertag VR, and both of them are going to actually be celebrity judges with us, and they're going to be playing some of the top games and even, who knows, making a little content about it, so maybe you'll see them playing your game. And then XR Game Labs is going to be talking to the winners of the Game Jam to see if we could either turn that game into a full-on game, or if you have any other games in the works or in process, we're going to talk about how we can actually get your game into the Oculus Store, App Lab, or SideQuest and actually publish that to the world. So some exciting developments with the VR Game Jam. If you have not signed up yet, I highly recommend it. We have just crossed 500 people joined. We had 600 last year, so we're trying to push those numbers up so we can beat last year. It's going to be super, super fun. We're going to be playing a lot of games here shortly. I'm probably going to be participating a little bit, not the whole 7 days likely, but I'm going to try to do my best to make a little game. That'll be fun. And then if you need to brush up on your VR skills, I actually just created a completely free 7-part video series of hand-selected videos from the VR Creator Academy that I think were the best. Put them into a collection of 7 of them, and the link for that is going to be down in the description. So the videos go through creating a new project, adding some movement, doing a little mini game, and even building your APK file. So this free 7-part series is linked down in the description if you need to kind of brush up on your game dev skills or get some more knowledge before the Game Jam starts. So my little gift to you, since Valem gave you something, I felt like I might as well offer a little something as well. So jump down there, grab that, check it out, and I look forward to seeing what you all end up building.